Hey, Mike here. So it's November 17th and it's starting to get a little cold here in Wisconsin. The RV is parked on the side of the house. Started to winterize it, got it pretty much done. Just got to cover it. So I don't know if I made a video about this, but I had bought this $300 or $400 RV cover for 40 bucks. It's only been used once or twice, but I'm gonna put it on today, and it may be on for a month, it may be on for 4 months. I don't know yet. That's yet to be determined. Anyway, let's open it up and see what we got here. There should be some wheel covers along with the actual cover. Okay, so there's some instructions, some patches, a bunch of straps, tie down straps for it, and then the actual cover. I haven't found any wheel covers yet, but we'll open this up and see what side's what. The one side is supposed to open up to get it into the RV if you need to, so we'll try to find which way's up. So we need to make sure that we get the outside prepared. I might have to take these solar lights off of here. There's no reason they need to be on there. I should bring those inside because they have batteries in them. So I'll just put them aside. I put magnets on the back of them, if you were wondering. That's why they stick. For my security. I've got to go up on top and make sure all the leaves are off. Yuck, what a mess. It's a little wet up here too, so I think so. Maybe it's not. I guess it's pretty dry. We'll see what we can get off here. It is a little damp yet. I'm going to wait for it to dry off a little bit before I start sweeping any of it off. It's supposed to rain, so I want to get this done before then, and then it's supposed to get a little colder. So, yeah, that's why I want to get it done. Okay, it's now actually 1 week later. I got sidetracked a little bit, but I finally got the roof swept off, got all the leaves and stuff off. Going to make sure there's no sharp edges. When I put the cover on, I don't want any sharp edges, so the cover doesn't rip. Gonna turn that antenna a little bit. Alright, let's get down and see if we can get that thing up here. Okay, this thing's kind of heavy, so instead of trying to lift it up there or bring it up the ladder, I used one of the straps. I'm gonna just get up there and see if I can lift it up myself. Wish me luck. There. That worked perfectly to get it up. Now let's get it out of the bag and unraveled. Okay, someone has previously marked this. So this is the outside front. So I need to turn this around. Yeah, see the tag here says front. So that helps. Alright, let's do this. Okay. They've also marked, this is the rear, they've marked the back inside, back outside, so I know that's very helpful. Alright, let's keep going. You definitely need to be careful once you get this out on where you're walking, because you can't see all the little things that have been covered up now. So, yeah, I mean, you can see the big things, but other than that, you just got to be careful. I got to watch my step, make sure I don't trip on anything or break anything or fall off. Here is the one tear that he told me about before I bought it. He did tell me there's a tear here. This is way on the bottom. It does not affect anything, so I was okay with that. No biggie. Okay, never do this on a windy day. This is not a windy day, but a little wind has picked up, but it shouldn't be too bad. So I've got this antenna here with these metal pieces on it. It might be a little sharp, so I'm going to, I got this outdoor mat that I had. I'm going to see if I can put that over it, just so it doesn't scrape when I put the top on, the cover on. We'll see if it stays. Well, we're getting there. We just have to get it on the rest of the way and get the straps all strapped on. That's going to be interesting because I'm not sure how the straps go. The instructions booklet isn't the greatest. But as you can see here, there's vents. 3 vents along each side, it looks like. And then here, where the door is, there's a zipper. This whole section looks like it zippers off, so you can get in and out when you need to. Nice. Alright, this is what it looks like on top. Looking good. Actually, there's 3 zippers. One here in the back, one there in the middle, and then you have one here up front. That you can get in the, if you have a, you know, this is made for several different kinds of RVs, so that's why it's like that. Alright, so to get these straps underneath the RV, to get them to the other side, because they strap, there's 2 here and there's 2 up there, I think there's some more up there. To get them to the other side, they give you this basically it's a strap with a metal weight on it, and then it clips to one of the straps that you have. The male end goes into this female end here, and then you just throw it underneath. It works pretty good. I tried it and it worked on the first try, so let's just finish these up. So I do not like this situation here. This is the ladder in the back. I'm gonna have to fix that. That's gonna poke maybe through and rip if it gets too windy or anything. So what I did is I got, these are what I use for the slide out when I put it out, so I don't bump my head, or if I do, I hit this. So I think I'm gonna try to put that like that right there. See if that works. Okay, here's my solution. Twist tie a noodle on your ladder. That should work. No more sharp points. Alright, let's get this done. If you do decide to unzip these, you have to undo the straps underneath, because there are straps that go underneath. I probably would only have to undo this one strap here to get in the door, unzip it and go in the door. So shouldn't be too much of a problem. So the solar panels are covered, but as you can see, it is plugged in still. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helped for anyone that has never done this. This is my first time. Well, there you have it. It's all ready for winter. I do have a dehumidifier running in there currently, but if it gets too cold, you know, if it gets below freezing, I don't know if that will really work, you know, because it will freeze. They make those bags and they make those other kind of damp rids, but I don't know how, I don't think they work when it freezes anyway, so there's probably no sense. Let me know in the comments if you have any ideas. I will be going in and out of this throughout the winter, hopefully starting up the generator, starting things up. Not sure if I'll leave it plugged in. It's probably best to leave it plugged in. Leave a comment if what you think about that. But I am happy with the cover so far. It fits just as he said it would. It's nice and tight. Alright, catch you next time. Thanks for watching.